Yeah, so you can see how much snow we've gotten. There's the ground.
So we were supposed to get 6 to 12 inches of snow, guys. That's well over 12, so watch this. It's so bad that we can't get out until the plows come through. I mean, our trucks will be able to get out, but we won't be able to get anything else out of the driveway until the plows come through. So I guess it's a waiting game this morning. I mean, it's really pretty. That's about the only positive thing out of this. So we are headed to the shop to work on the race car and put a body on it.
Maybe.
You are right. Very well might not be able to get into the shop. We got about 18 inches of snow overnight. It's very pretty. That's about the only positive out of this. Well, got a slow one.
I think that's the B37B mod.
Maybe when you were racing it.
I don't think so.
I think so. If you didn't have four-wheel drive, you will never get out. Up to the ramps on the trailer, in front of the door there. It will be, it's really deep here, right where I'm at, but we should be okay. Hopefully we can beat it down, get into the garage here. I got a snowblower inside to snow blow most of this out of the way. But yeah, today's plan is to start building the body on this B-mod so the new owner can come pick it up. Once that's done, we can go get our new car and get it started on 2022. You just want me to, do you want the mark to still be there, or do you want me to cut right on it?
Cut right on it. So what you doing, Cody?
Hopefully not going to screw up the first piece of decking. Otherwise I'll have one pissed off Papa.
Well, they give the stuff away now.
Yeah, it's like free gold. So today, headed to the shop here to put the finishing touches up on the body. We're gonna finish putting the decking on the car today, getting that all mounted up, and then tomorrow we'll start on the doors, the roof, and the sail panels, and then I'll be coming down just to final little touches. So doesn't sound like we have a lot to do. It's just the small little tedious stuff that will take forever to get done. So it's gonna be a long week. Hopefully get this thing done so the guy that bought the car can come get it. We're looking forward to getting it out of our shop and getting our new car. So that being said, I'm gonna jump inside here and start working on the car. So it's been a long afternoon and evening here, but we got the car about halfway done right now. Sorry for the mess in the shop. It's just a very crowded area with a lot going on. So got the decking all cut out and put on. Got the cap put on here. Decking's on. This comes off, obviously. Getting ready to install the roof here. And I mean, I got some odds and ends to finish up tomorrow, but yeah, it's looking pretty good. Hopefully have it done by Friday. That way the guy that bought the car can come up, grab it, and bring it home for Christmas. So that's the plan. I'm going to stick around here and, like I said, mount that roof, put it on for tonight. That way when my dad gets off of work tomorrow, he can come up and do some other little things here, and when I'm done with work and come back at it and hit it hard. So with that being said, I'm gonna, I guess, fire away.
All right, John, what are you up to?
Scared the crap out of me.
What are you doing?
I'm cutting straps for the new owner of the Shaw chassis. We're going to make it look very pretty for him. It's a very competitive chassis. He'll do great in it.
Yes, he will.
Yes, he will. We're anxious to see how he does.
And Cody's over there still.
Really be doing this with safety glasses, but you know.
Yeah, not safety first with you, is it?
No. I need new eyes. I figured that might be a lot better if I hang on to it.
It was.
I was like,
Cody, it always feels better when you hang on to it.
yeah, that's what Amber said too.
Yeah.
Definitely not.
But you never know. I'm glad for the reassurance.
Well, that's my 2 cents anyway. It's time.
Forget the 2 cents.
It's time for tuba talk.
Oh boy.
I don't even know if I'm not even
As I
doing
say,
it right.
I'm asking for my own knowledge. What is that?
So this is, it's called a Hem Pro. They're made, I think, in Michigan. And this is, I don't even know. I think it's like an edging tool. What it does is it'll move this to up about 90. From 0, this is a 0 to 90 tool. And this is a 90 to 180 tool. So basically I'll flip this over and you see how, I mean, it's probably smooth, but if someone wanted to run their finger across it, it'd probably cut them. Flipping this over, it'll be a nice smooth surface. Just makes everything look way nicer. This obviously isn't going on the race car. Just got it today, so I don't want to just go and screw up some shit.
You're just playing around
So I'm
with
just trying
it.
to figure it out and see what, you know, what I need to do to be better. My dad tried it, struggled earlier, which that doesn't always mean anything. Sorry, Dad. Love you, but
Maybe I might not be doing it far enough. We're getting it here. It just takes practice.
How about this? What, you talking about this?
Yes, it takes a lot of practice. You know, practice makes perfect. You know, before Tim Borgeson ever was a race car driver, he used to be a really good hunter. You know, people admired Tim because he could bait in a bear from the next county. His baits would attract bear from a long ways away. So he was known as the masturbator, Tim the masturbator.
Good thing I didn't want to edit all these things out, huh?
Really close.
I want to hear a funny thing.
so what are you doing here today, Dad?
Trying not to cut my arm off.
But really, what are you doing?
Using this new gadget. The old Him Pro. It's pretty good, but it ain't perfect.
No?
It's probably the operator.
I would say it's the operator, as I made these nice lips on here. I've also done some other stuff on the car with it. All this nice straight, tight edge makes the cockpit looks really nice. Another fine edge. You do this to make it strong for one, and two, you won't cut your hand on anything.
Well, that cord is sick.
On Wisconsin.
It's Oregon.
Well, we were watching.
Welcome back, everyone. Today is Sunday, December 19th. It's an important day for me. This car right behind me was my very first race car that I ever bought with my own money. My very first car that I ever got was bought by my parents. Still thankful to this day that that happened. Otherwise, I probably wouldn't be staying here talking to you guys right now. But yeah, this is a 2017 Shaw. I just sold it to a guy. He's coming up from Missouri. He's actually on his way here now. He's almost here. We built, my dad and I and John and Amber and Owen all built this body, cockpit, decking, everything in 6 days. Honestly didn't think we'd get it done. There was a lot of late nights in here getting it done, but it's done. It looks really good. It looks way better in person than it does in pictures or video or anything like that. But the guy wanted all black and white plastic bottoms. So there's some of the work we did in 6 days, obviously. We had patterns to copy, but it's our first own body that we've ever built as a team. So I think it turned out pretty good. Obviously, there's some stuff that, knowing what we know now, we can change going forward. But I can't complain for our very first one. So, like I said, the guy is almost here. Looking forward to getting it out of the door. It treated me really good. I won my first feature win with it this year. We're at the Race Lake Speedway in Race Lake, Wisconsin. And obviously it's going down the road. It's kind of sad to see, but at the same point in time, we're looking forward to 2022 and seeing what it holds for us. Well, here she is. She's going to Missouri. 2017 Shaw. It's going to its new home. Very good. Well, the 2017 Shaw is gone. Guy just came and picked it up. And the first time in a very long time, there's an open spot in the shop. When we get our new car, this is where it'll be staying. I'm really excited. It's the first time in a long time we've had something that's new to us come back to the shop. So looking forward to that, and here's the new beginnings. I just wanted to recap this video with some updates. Congratulations to Ike Peters on our t-shirt giveaway on package. Really, I think there's a puzzle included and some other stuff. And the other thing is our car obviously is gone, and so in the next couple of weeks here we'll be picking up our new car, and then we'll be going back off to get updates for the 2022 race season. And that time we will reveal what we have gotten. And I don't know, we're pretty excited. It's going to be a long, month or two. It's been a busy last couple of weeks with Christmas and finishing the car up, snowstorms. Everyone's kind of had the flu bug around here as well. So between everything and life getting in the way of everything else, that's what we've been doing. My mom's going to provide an update, but a new addition to our family, and we hope you guys enjoy our video.
Yeah, we just want to say we hope you all had a Merry Christmas, and if you celebrate Christmas, happy holidays if you don't. And like Cody said, it's been an extremely busy couple weeks. I'm sure everybody feels the same, but we do have a new addition to our family. If you've been watching our videos this summer and this fall, we've kind of given a few little blips here and there about the new baby coming, and none of us knew what it was. And but surprisingly enough, on December 15th, we Taylor and Kent welcomed baby girl. Her name is Evelyn Jean, and she's just the cutest little peanut. So that's made Christmas extra special this year. And on Christmas Day is my mom's birthday, so it's just kind of an extra special time of the year for all of us. So again, we hope you all had a Merry Christmas.
And happy holidays.
Happy New Year. Let's make 2022 the best year yet.
Amen on that. If you enjoyed our video, please like and share it with your friends and family. Comment below if you have a picture, if you bought one of our shirts, either send it to us or attach it below.
A picture of you wearing our
right.
race shirt. Send it to us. We'd like to feature those in an upcoming video.
Right. And that's it.
So, again, Happy New Year, everyone. Thanks for all your support, and keep watching.
What she said.
Bye-bye.
Angels we have